Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you about our NHS Arts Winter Showcase coming up. So the showcase is a collaboration of visual arts, meaning our class, um, music, dance, theater, and chorus. So the whole arts department is teaming up to create a fun end of semester project slash performance slash Zoom meeting for all of you guys. And so for our part, for my classes and Miss Massia's classes, we are going to be doing an art show, a semester art show, and all of you will have one Google slide to design and show off your artwork. So all of you will be required to participate, but we'll be working on our Google slide for our project this week. So we'll be working on it in class. So you'll get it done, no worries. So each of you will have your own Google slide. So you need to go to this week. So click the paintbrush and it will take you to this week. And in the NHS Arts Winter Showcase project, you will find the link to the Google slide where you're going to design your own right here. So if you click it, it takes you to our shared Google Slides. And so the first thing that you need to do is create your slide. Okay, so if you have me for first period, then click first period. And then you can select this plus button right up here. If you hover your cursor over it, it says new slide. So click it and it creates you a brand new slide. And that is your slide to edit. So write your name on it right down here in the speaker notes where it says click to add speaker notes. I'm gonna write my first and last name. And this is the only slide that you will be editing, that you will need to finish. So the final product is going to look something like this. This is a good example. These are some projects that I have done this semester in our class. But it's okay if you want to use something maybe you've done on your own. That's fine with me too, just as long as it is from this semester. Okay. So once you have added on your slide, you have your first and last name, then you can delete these boxes. So I'm going to click on the outside border of them, and then on my keyboard, hit backspace. Again, click the outside border and click backspace on your keyboard. So once you're going to choose 3 to 5 pieces of art that we have done this semester or you've done on your own. And once you have mentally thought about those 3 to 5 pieces that you would like to do or like to show off for our art show, then you're going to create title cards for each piece. So a title card is like these right here. I created a title for this drawing and I listed what materials I used to create it. Okay, same one for this one. I created a title in bold and then the materials marker drawing is in italics. So all of your title cards, you get one for each piece of work. Okay, so let's say I'll just recreate this one again. So in order to start your title card, you don't have any text boxes open on your slide anymore. So you have to insert one. So insert text box. And you click where you want it to be. And then you can type in the title of one of your pieces and the materials you use to make it. So for example, my Harlem Renaissance, my jazz mixed media piece, I might call it I don't know, you can come up with a fun title or you can just call it Jazz Mixed Media. I'm going to say Jazz It Up as the title. And then I use a lot of different stuff. So I'm just going to leave it at mixed media. I want it to be kind of small so that I can fit my pictures as the main focal point of my slide. So I highlighted my words and I'm going to adjust the font to 10, which seems small, but once it's full screen on the computer, it will make more sense. It will be easier to read. And then the title of it, I'm going to bold. The materials, I'll highlight and italicize. And for now, this might change later, but for now, just go ahead and center it. And maybe I'll put it right over here. But we don't really know where your pieces are going to go yet because we're just doing the title card. So just try to think of where you may want to place your pictures and just kind of put your title cards there for now. So you create a title card for each piece. I'm just going to do one so you don't have to watch me do all three. And you're choosing 3 to 5 pieces. So you should have one title card for each piece. So 3 to 5 title cards. And if you look at the example, there is one bigger title card up at the top, and that's going to be your first and last name and your grade level. So once you have made your 3 to 5 title cards for each of your pieces that you're going to show off, you can create your big title card with your name on it. So insert text box, click first and last name, and you would write 9th grade or 10th grade or 11th or 12th grade, but I'm just going to put art teacher since I don't have a grade. And same idea, you're going to highlight it, but we want this to be the main, what people see. We want your name to be seen. So I'm going to bold all of it. And no matter what, your name title card is going to go in this top left corner. So go ahead and put it there. And then the rest of the space can be for your photos and your other title cards. Okay. Now, once you get your title cards made, all 3, so you have all 3 to 5 title cards, then you can import your photos. So you should take great pictures of your projects. That means straight. You're not looking at it from an angle. These are from straight above. I have really great lighting. There's no shadows on my projects. You can see everything, okay? And I cropped them down to the right size. So make sure you get good photographs of your projects that you want to show off. Make sure that it's showing it off to the best way that a photograph can, okay? And there are many ways to get your photos onto your device, onto your computer. You can email it to yourself. You can try to text it to yourself, to your email. You can plug your phone into your laptop and transfer the photos. You can share to a Google Drive. Lots of different ways to get these pictures onto your computer. And we'll talk about that more in class. But if you have specific questions about it, then please let me know. Now, once you get your photos in here, so for the sake of time, once you get your pictures of your projects in here, you can adjust the size, small or big. You can move it around. You can crop it if you need to crop it. Make sure it's selected, and then it's this button right here. It says crop image. You can crop it by dragging the corners down. I cropped mine so it would fit my piece perfectly. and then you can place it and design how you want your slide to look. So how do you want to present your 3 to 5 pieces of art with their title cards? Okay, and that's our project for this week. So we will do a lot of this in class. On Monday, we will create our slide with all of your title cards. On Tuesday, we will upload your photographs. So by Tuesday, your project should be done. And then on Thursday, we're going to start working on what's called an artist statement. And that is part of your discussion board for this week. So work hard. Think about which pieces are your best pieces that you want to show off for our art show. And let me know if you have questions. We will do this in class. So make sure you come to class. Bye.